Hello everybody, Model Airport Nation here, and today I'm back with another awesome video today. Today I have an unboxing from, you know it, JH Wings here, with Gemini Jets' new releases here. I did get a few of each of these. There's a couple I didn't get this time around, but I may be ordering more soon. So, without further ado guys, we have JH Wings. I'm now affiliate with JH Wings guys, so if you do click the link below here, you can purchase through JH Wings' website there. As well as the discount there as well, guys, for JH Wings. So that does help support me in the channel here. Allows me to continue to improve my model airports and have more airplanes for you guys to see. So stay tuned for that, guys. Let's get right into the video. You guys know it's always an exciting time when you have a box of airplane models to unbox. And yes, this does include one of the NG Models' new releases as well. As I do have my Honolulu set up over here. I'm just waiting for my custom layout I have being created from Hangar 505 to arrive. So stay tuned for that, guys. We will be in full Hawaii mode here very soon. But as you can see, we only have one NG model here, so I think we'll just begin with this. We have the A330-200 Lilo Stitch livery, Lilo and Stitch. I can't believe they actually made this. This is super cool. Definitely going to have all of the variants, including the A321neo. And I think like JC Wings or something's making like a 717 version too. So that'll be cool. All right, guys, as you can see, here it is. The Lilo and Stitch A330-200 here. What a beautiful aircraft here, guys. You can see it just is fresh out of the box, guys. Super detailed here. Let me get this to focus. Landing gear looks great. So do the engines. Here's the box. We even get like a little certificate now on here. That's pretty cool. I also do have the redemption card too. I am saving my points up for the next exchange. I do not regret any of the models I got in the last NG Models exchange. So they were definitely, it was definitely highly worth it to do it. So I highly recommend jumping on there, guys. I think the next one's in December. Don't quote me on that, but I think it is in December here from what I've heard. So stay tuned, guys, for that. But yeah, let's set this right here, actually. And let's get on to the United Airlines models. All right, guys, next up we have the United Airlines 77200ER here. I did get 3 of these this time just so I could show a more realistic airport that has the 777s at it. Because I know these don't come around too often. And then I did get 2 of the flaps down versions. I don't have many flaps down airplanes, so I'm trying to get more of those now. So I can show them like pushing back, taxiing out, landing, taking off. You guys know what's up. Let me get this unwrapped so we can take a better look at it. All right, guys, as you can see, we have the flaps up version and then the flaps down. Oh, super cool. If you guys look closely, you can tell the difference. We'll get these out of their boxes right now. Let's go ahead and take a look. All right, guys, and here are the 2 United 777s here. Here we have flaps up and flaps down here. Very excited to have these in my fleet, guys, as we'll be showing these everywhere United flies, as well as the San Francisco International Airport. So, super cool here, guys. Get you guys a nice shot. Super detailed. Apologize, they are watching football outside here, so it might be a little bit loud here, but look at this, guys. Flaps down on the United 777-200 here. My favorite part is also the back part here too. Look at this. Now I'll say this, like on some of them, like the A350s and the 787s, you can tell that the flaps are down, but they don't really like go down that far, I guess to say. So it doesn't seem like as realistic. I'll still buy ones with the flaps up and down, but what I'm trying to say is like on the 777s and the 747s, you really do notice it. So I think that's super cool. Like, you know, look at that, like night and day difference. But like I said, if you have the 2 787s together, it kind of curves down a little bit, but I know it's like still cool. But anyways, guys, you get what I'm saying. Typical of the Gemini Jets 777s here. So there we have it. Now let's get on to the next unboxing part here of our unboxing today. And we have two of the ERJ-175s here. I already do have probably 4 or 5 of these, but we're going to add more to the fleet here, especially because I'm doing Denver too, guys. So stay tuned for that. Let's get these open. All right, guys, here are the ERJ-175s here. 2 of them together. I know they did release a bunch of these a long time ago, but it's good to have these back in the fleet because I know these are kind of rare. Nobody else really makes these besides Gemini Jets, I feel like. If you look closely, lots of details here. Happy to have these in my fleet. I do have the two or three of the other the CRJ 550s too. So we definitely have a strong United fleet going. I might honestly have even more. So yeah, guys, it's going pretty good as far as the United planes go. But yeah, that's pretty much all you get to see there. Let's get on to the next part of the unboxing. All right, guys, next up we have the Delta 757-300 here. We did go ahead and get 2 of these for the fleet. So we go ahead and take a look here. You guys can see the detail on this aircraft here. Super scale. I know they're going to be retiring these someday, but still be a while before they do. So have some nice modern updated Gemini Jets 757-300s. I know they do update a few things here and there though. Like they do have, I know they added like the antennas that are a little bit better. The engines look better too, as well as the overwing. Also, they did add like the Point Sky sticker and all the other little stickers you see when you go through the door. I know they've had that on there for a while now, but I think they did update it a little bit, even though it's so tiny to see. So that's super cool. I did miss out on the last 757-300s that they released. I think it was like 2 years ago or something like that. But that's why we're coming in strong now with a couple more of the fleet, guys. I might have to get a couple more of the Deltas. Maybe one of the other NG A330-200s too, guys. But other than that, there we go. All right, guys, you can see all of the airplanes together here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 United 777s here. 2 flaps down, 3 flaps up. 2 Delta 757s, 2 E175s, and the A330-200. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video today, showing you guys this awesome unboxing from JH Wings and Gemini Jets and NG Models. Go check them out, guys. Link below. Help support me out. Support me here if you guys purchase the planes below here. And keep the channel operational here. So, hope you guys are doing well, and hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. We'll see you guys in the next video. Lots of content to come in the near future, especially with the heavy army of the United 777s here for sure. So, ERJ is a nice touch too, but the 777s, guys, those are the way to go. All right, guys, happy collecting.